How to connect Nova to Bullx Neo. To connect Nova to Bullx Neo, follow these detailed steps. So number one, install the Nova Click extension. So open your web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Nova Click and press enter. After that, navigate to the Nova Click extension in the search results. After that, click on the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Step number two, connect NovaClick to the Telegram account. So after installation, click on the NovaClick extension icon located on the top right corner of your browser. After that, a new window will open, prompting you to connect your Telegram account. After that, click on the Connect Telegram button. After that, this action will redirect you to the page with a Start Bot button. Click on it. So the bot will then link to your Telegram account to the NovaClick extension and send the information message starting or stating successfully connected to the NovaClick. Step number three, activate the NovaClick extension. So click on the NovaClick extension icon again. In the extension interface, locate to the power button and click it to turn on the extension. Number four, or step number four, configure your trading preset. So within the extension, you will find an option to set up your trading preset. This preset will allow you to create quickly buttons with preferred or predefined amounts, facilitating faster transactions. So for example, you can set preset 0.1 Sol or 0.5 Solana and 1 Solana. So after configuring your preset, click on the Save button to apply these settings. Number five, or step number five, navigate into Bullx Neo and utilize NovaClick. So visit the Bullx Neo platform in your browser, navigate to the page to the specific icon you are interested in trading, and after that, click on the NovaClick extension icon. This will open a side panel on the right side of your browser window. In this side panel, you will see the quickly button configured earlier. So use these buttons to execute trades directly through Nova on the Bullx Neo platform. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate Nova with Bullx Neo, enabling a more streamlined and efficient trading experience. So this is how to connect Nova to Bullx Neo. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.